Hey there again. Today I will show you how to use KineMaster. So first, go into the app KineMaster. Then press in the big button thing right here. Press. It will say this. It will say select the aspect ratio of your project. Select whichever you want. I'll select 69. Then you will want to go to media. You can either choose video or photo. I'm gonna choose photo. You import your photos. I'm gonna choose random pictures. There we go. Then, if you want to make it smaller, press on your photo, and then make it smaller. Same with the others. Oh, you want more transitions? Well, no worries. Press the plus button right here. Press right here, the shop thing right there. Then you will appear here. Most transitions are for premium, but there are a lot that are not for premium. So go ahead and explore. Like this one. When you're done with all that, put in your transitions. Like that. Now you have your transition. Then, if you want to record something, then press record right here. When you're ready, press start. Hey guys. There we go. Now you have your audio. Hey guys. Okay, now if you want normal sounds, you can press over here. Press music assets. Then press get music. Press whichever you want. Some of them are premium. But that this one. There, you got it installed. And now it's on your music assets. Press on it.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Then press plus. Press the check button.
1,
Now
2,
you have your
3, come.
If you want a layer or your own sound, well, you can screen record the sound that you want. After you're done screen recording a sound, press layers, press media. There, now press all. And now look at all the audios. Look at all your screen recordings or videos. Press whichever audio you want. Press extract the audio. Delete that layer that you're on right now with the trash button. And now you have your thing. If you want to delete a photo, you can press here and you photo. Press delete in the trash can. Now you have deleted your photo. Go into the comment section and tell me anything you want to learn. QCut, IB's Paint X, KineMaster. Pick out of these apps. We have Minecraft, IB's Paint X, YouTube Studio, QCut, Roblox, Got to Life, YouTube. We also have any other apps you can pick from here. Anyways, bye.